Indian Air Force remains on high alert even though its Operation Sindoor against Pakistan had been successfully executed. According to a report on CNN, an Indian defense source informed that the Air Force's operational readiness is still high despite the ceasefire announced yesterday. They also maintained that since operations are still ongoing, a detailed briefing will be conducted in due course. The truce came into effect yesterday at 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time. However, both sides have accused each other of ceasefire violations. India's Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri also said that there had been repeated violations of the agreement from Pakistan during a press conference yesterday. Additionally, Pakistan reported today that there have been no fresh strikes or drone flights. Pakistan's foreign ministry also expressed its appreciation for the constructive role played by US and other friendly states in supporting the recent ceasefire understanding between Pakistan and India, a step towards de-escalation and regional stability.